Good afternoon. Welcome to today's class. And this afternoon, we'll be dealing with the Vernier Caliper Reading. And the time will not permit me, I will have elaborate more on a Vernier Caliper as an instrument. But for the sake of this class, we won't have the luxury of time to be explaining. But we'll go directly to the reading of a Vernier Caliper. In a Vernier Caliper, we have two readings. We have the main. The up here is referred to as what? As the main scale. And this one also, the other one is referred to, the one that is referred to as the vernier scale. So for us to have our correct reading on the vernier caliper, the two must be taken together. Then starting with the main scale. Then for us to know the reading on the main scale, for us to know our main scale reading, we have to come to the instrument. Then that means our main scale is the one up. So from this place, we have a 3, then 4, continues like that. Then you can notice that it's in centimeter. So we have 3 centimeter, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. But for this example, if you have to consider this example, then our main scale is what is from 3, then it stops at where the vernier scale starts. It stops when the vernier scale starts. So from here now, if these are main scale, this is 3, this is 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. So you can see our main scale starts from after 3.3. Our vernier scale starts from after 3.3. That means from that 3 to 3.3, that's our main scale reading. So our main scale now is what is 3.3. Then not that 3.3 centimeter. So then we have to go for our vernier scale. We have to go for vernier, this reading on a vernier scale. Then on the vernier scale, we have a 0, 5, 10. And mind you, vernier scale, if your main scale is in centimeter, that means the vernier scale is in 0.1 millimeter. So from here to here now is 5. Then from here, for us to now get our vernier scale, let's first of all determine our vernier scale before we do our conversion. For us to get our vernier scale, we have to go to the instrument, then look for where our vernier scale and main scale, where they intersect. The point where the two intersect, where we are on a straight line, that's what we take as our vernier reading. Let's see, from here we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So at this point of 4, you can see it intercepts with the main scale. So therefore our vernier scale will be 4. Our vernier scale will be 4. But mind you, this 4 is in what? Is in 0.1 millimeter. So in that case, we have to take it to what? To centimeter. This is 0.1 millimeter. So here, if you have 0.1, that's a 0.1, 4 times 0.1. That will give us 0.4 millimeter. But we cannot add 3 centimeter. We're going to add centimeter and millimeter together. We have to take this one, 0.4 to centimeter. Then for us to take 0.4 to centimeter, so we have to multiply again by 0.1. So we have to be, that's a to centimeter now, 0.4 times 0.1. So that will give us 0.04 centimeter. So therefore, our reading now, our vernier caliper reading now, will be equals to 3.3 plus 0.04, which is equal to 3.34 centimeter. So that's our vernier caliper reading. All right, let's consider another example on the vernier caliper reading. Example 2. In this example, we see that our main scale now, from the main scale, we need to take our reading from the main scale. Our main scale reading now, for this example, will be where we go back to our scale from the diagram. We see this on our main scale, we have 1, from 1 to 2, right? And in between them, we have a 10 calibration. That is from 1, that is will be 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, until we get to 2. So here, for us to determine our main scale reading now, we have to stop, cut from the main scale, we check for the check our calibration. Then we come to the Vernier scale where where we have the first mark of the Vernier scale. That's where we stop. That's where we take our main scale reading. For example, now we have 1 here. This is a 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Then after this 1.3, we have a Vernier scale reading starts. So that in that case, our main scale has to be 1.3 here before we cross to this before the Vernier scale reading starts. So in that case, our main scale will be 1.3 centimeter. And for the Vernier scale now, for the Vernier scale reading, we have to come to the Vernier scale. Then we check our Vernier scale where it intersects with the main scale. That's what we take as our Vernier scale reading. Let's check from 0. We have 0 to 5. That's from 0. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8. That means at the mark of 8, that's where we have our Vernier scale reading. That's 8. And mind you, multiply by, we have to take it to centimeter. For us to take it to centimeter, you just have to multiply by 0.01. That gives us in centimeter. From the first example, we need to go through the process of from millimeter to from millimeter, 0.1 millimeter to millimeter, from the millimeter to centimeter. We need to go through that one. Just multiply with 0.01, then that will take it to 2 centimeter. That gives us 0.08 centimeter. So from there now, the reading of the Vernier caliper will be equals to 1.3 plus 0.08 centimeter, which give us 1.38 centimeter.